Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil. I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. So what we're showing you is how we've integrated a reversing camera image onto the factory screen. So this is a 2019 Ford Focus, it's brand new. What the system that's in the car at the moment is a SYNC3 system. We can also integrate into a SYNC2 system, so if your car has SYNC2 or SYNC3, we have a solution for you. So if you want something like this, feel free to get in touch with us. Contact number I'll drop below. It's 01223 56 30 30. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the Profit wedge camera that we use, which is completely bespoke to us. And this system is all from a company called Nav TV, which is the supplier of the actual module itself. There's three elements to every reversing camera. There's the actual Profit wedge camera that we use, which is completely watertight, really nice looking camera. And we've also got the module, and then we've got the install. So three elements, and it creates an absolutely stunning addition to your vehicle. If you didn't spec your car with it, you know who to call. So what I'm going to do is just talk you around the reversing camera itself. So this is a Profit wedge camera, so it's a completely sealed unit. We always go to as discreet as possible in terms of the location. So what we've gone for here is, as you can see, it's just slightly to the left of the handle. A really nice looking camera there. It looks completely factory. You can't tell at all that we've been there. And in terms of the wiring and everything that you see, everything's completely hidden away. Everything goes in behind existing panels, and it's a physical cable run all the way throughout the whole vehicle. So what I'm going to do is going to jump in inside the vehicle. So this is the brand new Ford screen that we got. So this is SYNC3. So we've got this factory keys. We're going to start the vehicle just so you can see what the work we've done. So nothing's changed in terms of features at all or anything like that. The main thing is when we now select reverse, we have a really clear image. Because I haven't closed the boot, that's showing our logo quite nicely actually, and the lovely day that it is. So a really clear image. You can see all the trees. You can read our logo as well there. And it just flicks back out. It's a really nice system. So for more details on how we can integrate a camera system into your vehicle, whether you have the Ford SYNC2 or SYNC3 system, we have the solution for you. If your vehicle is different from a Ford and you were just viewing this video just to see how an integrated reversing camera looks and feels in the car, feel free to get in touch with us. We have quite a few different solutions for a variety of vehicles, and I'm sure we'll find a solution for yours. Contact number again for you guys is 01223 56 30 30. All of our works get carried out in our bespoke workshop facilities in Cambridge, and we've got a full video tour video available for you guys as well. So thank you very much for watching this short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.